Hello everyone, it's me Cody, and I will show you something that's very important on Christmas. This is a fireplace. Well, Cody, why is a fireplace important? Well, in Canada and America, other places where we have Christmas, Santa Claus, this is his door, the fireplace. This is how he gets inside and brings you presents. So it's important when you go to sleep, you put out the fire so Santa Claus can go down the fireplace safely through the chimney into the fireplace. The chimney is what's at the top that goes through the house that lets the smoke out. Anyways, back to the fireplace. If you take a look, I have a fireplace inside. There's a fire burning. There's some hot red coals and some wood. And the fireplace is a very special place. This is where we sit together as a family. Not around the TV. Come on, it's Christmas. We like to sit around the fireplace where it's nice and warm and cozy and beautiful, and we can share Christmas stories, maybe have a meal, some cocoa, coffee, tea, whatever you like, and of course some sweets. So here is our fireplace with the nice fire burning inside, with our hot coals and our wood. And of course, our door for Santa, the fat man himself. All right, I will see you next time.